Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can root access into the Parrot OS. So let's get started. So guys, you have to open the terminal. So here comes the terminal, Parrot terminal. So you have to write a command known as sudo passwd. Sudo password basically. Now you have to enter the password for the user. Click on next. It won't show you the password because it's hidden in it. Now you have to enter the Unix password. Now you have to retype it. That's it. Now you got access to the root. Wait, let me show you. Right here, reboot. Now it will reboot. Basically, I'm running it on VMware because I don't like dual boot. It will take some time. So now I have to click on this arrow and switch to other. Now I have to write root, and in the password you have to write that password which you have entered for the Linux.
We show up in the party, fire than everybody.
We show up in the party, fire than everybody.
We show up in the party, fire than everybody.
We show up in the party.
We show up in the party.
So now we'll check that if it's has access to the root. So see, here it is written root. So thank you guys. Please like, subscribe and share to Electrotech. Thank you.